Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing how to make elegant yet easy New Year greeting card with a beautiful quilt flowers topped with. This is very easy and even can be an interesting activity for kids during this holiday season. So now let's get into the video and see what is the required material for this project. Here we have papers and pens, colored pens, then scissors, ruler, and here I have a normal white paper and a cardstock paper, and I also have construction paper, quilling papers and quilling tool and glue to stick all the material. Initially take the white paper and fold it in the center into half, and now here I am folding this cardstock paper also in the center. Now place this white paper in the center of the cardstock paper and glue it. Glue the white paper on both sides to the cardstock paper as shown in the video. Now here I have the shapes of construction paper that I cut into desired shapes. Here the different shapes of construction paper are ready, so keep them aside and write New Year wishes on top part of the paper. Now glue all the different shapes of construction paper to the cardstock paper as shown. Now let's see how to make this big quilling flower. Initially take one strip of the quilling paper and cut it in equal halves. Now take one half of the paper strip and start quilling like this. Once the entire strip is quilled, now remove from the quilling tool and release the round little bit between the fingers and glue it to seal it tightly. Now press in the center to form a dome shaped quilling strip. Here you can see we got a dome shaped piece. Now keep this aside and start making another piece of same size with the same color. Now here we have two sides of the petal and we need to make a middle portion of the petal. For this I took 1/4 strip of red color and I am quilling this. Now release this little bit and glue it. After gluing, now press from both the sides, and here we got the center piece of the petal. So now combine all the three parts of the petal and now take the remaining 1/4 part of this middle color and then glue it and seal all the three parts with the middle color paper. Now glue this end part and seal it tightly to secure all the three parts of the petal. Now here our beautiful petal is ready. So now we have other petals also. Now combine all the petals to form a beautiful flower like this. Now take the center color paper and make it into round quilled paper and place on the top of the flower. Now let's see how to make other different flowers. For this I took pink color paper and I cut into 1/4 sheets and then quill this and release between the fingers. Now glue this, and here after gluing, now pinch from one end of this to form a teardrop shaped petal. Here you can see one petal is there and the remaining petals are also ready. All the petals are in a drop shape, so now align them and glue them to form a beautiful flower like this. To cover the center of the flower, here I took 1/4 of yellow color strip and I'm quilling this to form a tight round, and now glue it to secure it tightly. Now here it is ready, so glue this on the top and our flower is ready. Now let's see how to make a different type of flower. For this, here I took half of the strip and I'm quilling this. Now after quilling, take this and release between the fingers, then glue it and secure it tightly. Once the end of the paper is glued, pinch from both the ends to form a diamond shaped petal. Here our diamond shaped petal is ready. We have other petals also, so align them and glue them to form a beautiful flower like this. Here you can see a beautiful flower is formed with the diamond shaped petals. Now continue the same process and make different flowers of different shapes. With this we have all the flowers ready. So now align all the flowers on the top of the greeting card as shown in the video. As the top part of the greeting card is ready, now start decorating inside part of the greeting card. Here I'm drawing some stars and some balloons. You may use any designs or shapes, whatever you feel like. With this, our elegant and beautiful quilled New Year greeting card is ready. Hope you all enjoyed watching this quilled greeting card making. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more videos. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.